wants to know what is executive MBA or part-time MBA. Is it equally accepted with any EGTM or MBA program?
Okay. Now, this is related to the earlier question which I made. Say, for example, those who are joining the industry after their bachelor's program, and they do their 2 years, 3 years. Sometimes they don't have time. They are growing in the organization in terms of their career. But once you look back after 7-8 years, you have only bachelor's degree to climb the ladder to the next level in administration, especially to the level of vice president or CEO. And you have a problem because you don't have a qualification. Therefore, you need to acquire a degree to get the next promotion. Therefore, what we do is they know all the practical experience, they know the functionality of the industry, but they don't have the degree. So therefore, they need to acquire a degree. Therefore, it's always better to acquire a degree. In such cases, 2 years is a too long a period. Therefore, it's a better we finish this course, because the fundamental or basics of management we don't need to teach them, because they are already into the industry. They do experience day in day out. Therefore, it's always better we reduce the curriculum and fundamentals we don't need to teach them, and only those specialized areas, something like strategic management and management information systems, those kind of program subjects that we teach, and then award them a degree. And this has become fashion, and this has become the order of the day in the light of the time crunch basically. And people don't have 2 years of time at that level, 7-8 years of experience, 10 years of executive time, and taking off from the job, it's a colossal waste of their time. Therefore, they prefer an executive program, and these executive programs can be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and 1 year is also okay. That's what bigger business schools offer, 1 year program like Harvard. But the problem is executive programs are 1 year in some of the universities also here. But in India, people go by master's program, and they always expect a 2-year program. But in most of the foreign universities like Australia and UK, and master's program is also 1 year. To be very frank, you don't require 2 years to teach master's program. So therefore, 1 year program also is respected. But at an entry level, if you got a 1 year program, entry becomes difficult, because you're already into a job, and it only helps you to get the next promotion. So 1 year executive program for an experienced person with 10 to 15 years of experience is okay, but for a fresher, executive program is not acceptable.